Hello friends, I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about the most important journal in the field of computer science, engineering, management, business management and interdisciplinary science. So let's start the journal. So first category in this series of the journal, this is the Science Direct or Elsevier Index journal or Scopus Index journal. This is the name of the journal, FGCS. So what is the FGCS? This is the future generation computer system. So this is the very good journal. So now explore in detail. So these are the types of the issues published yearly. So this is the December, it will be published in December, November, October and September. So you can imagine about the publication frequency of this particular journal. This is the most important thing for all of you, and being a researcher we should be familiar about this publication timing. So as they mentioned, in it will be published their issue in the December month, September, October, November. So you can explore all the issues by click on this particular tab. Now if we will talk about the impact factor, so the impact factor of this journal is the 6.125. this is the very good impact factor, and the site score is the very important thing. So you can imagine about this the quality of this particular journal. Now we will explore. So just click on the view aim and scope. So just click on this particular tab, so it will be redirected to the this particular page. So about this journal we can explore about this particular publishing and submission, author guideline, open access options, latest issue, all issues. So all kind of the information we can explore through these types of the tabs. So about the journal, so just you can read out everything from this type of the particular description. So as per your needs you can explore all the things, and you should explore all the things. Now we will talk about the abstract and indexing. This is the very important thing for the researchers. So if we will talk about the indexing, so application, so these are the aim and scope. So if your research area comes under this particular aim and scope, that will be very good journal to all of you. Now methods and tools you can explore, theory. So these are the very wide coverage area of this particular journal. Now abstract and indexing, just click on this particular journal tab. ACM indexing, computer science, computer abstract, computer this thing, and the most important thing is this is the inspects and science citation index, so SCI index journal and the Scopus index journal and Web of Science. So this is the very important thing to all of you. So the publication frequency as we have already seen, so this is the very fast public journal publication. So it is very good golden opportunity to all of you publish your research paper in this speedy journal, and Scopus, SCI index journal, everything is there in this journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. Now the second category of the Elsevier category, this is the science of computer programming. So it is especially dedicated to the computer programming, language of a computer programming research area for the publisher. So this is the impact factor 0.77 and side scores 3.3. Now we can explore all the details or information or deep dive through this particular read mode. So this is the all detail about this particular information, so you can read out. If your research area comes under this category, then you need to publish your research paper. Now next important thing is the abstract and indexing. So this is the very good indexing, as you can see abstract and indexing. So we always focus in the Scopus index and Web of Science category. So this is a very good indexing, very rich indexing. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. Now next category is the Elsevier categories. The journal name is the parallel computing. So it's your research area comes under this particular category, then you need to submit your research paper. Now if we will talk about the impact factor, the impact factor is very good, 1.119, and about the information or about the detail for this particular journal, a parallel computing, so you can read out as per yourself. And if your research area, these are the aim and scope of this particular journal. So if your research area comes under this category, then you need to submit your research paper. Now abstract indexing, so we can click on the abstract indexing tab, so we can check about the indexing. This is also the very rich indexing. So you can see this is the SCI index journal and also the Scopus index journal, Web of Science. So everything is there in this journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this quality journal. Now next category is the International Journal of Foundations of Computer Science. This is also the very good journal, and you can see this is the print version, ISSN number, and these are the online print version. Now if we will talk about the aim and scope, so this is especially dedicated to the particular computer science researcher and faculty member, those who are going to publish your research paper in the particular field. Then it is also the good journal. So now you can explore about this journal from these type of the tabs: abstract indexing and price information, about the details indexing की हम बात करें तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज़ द वेरी रिच इंडेक्सिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर जर्नल. So we always focus in the SCI index journal and also the Scopus index journal. So this is also the good journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal and fast publishing journal. So explore yourself each and every corner of this particular journal. So after satisfaction or after ensuring this is suitable for you, then submit your research paper to the publication. Now next category is the undersigned publisher. This is the especially dedicated to the electronic consumer and business management or management students. So if we will talk about the ISSN number, so it published in the both category, print version and online category. It is also the 4 issue per year, means within 3 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा इस जर्नल में. Scopus index journal, as they have mentioned, so you can read out the everything about this journal. So what types of the topics will be covered in this category, so you can just explore and read out carefully each and every aim and scope. If your research area comes under this category, then you need to submit your research paper. Now we will talk about the Scopus indexing. So this is the indexing Scopus index journal. This is we always prefer to Scopus index and SCI index journal. So you can also explore the more category of the indexing. So this is type of the very good indexing. So I recommend to all of you, this is also the fast publication of the journal. Now how we will submit a research paper, so then you need to click on this submit article. So before submitting article, first of all check each and everything, and after satisfaction you need to publish your research paper for this journal. Next category is the Interscience publishers. For the business management researchers and students, journal name is the International Journal of Procurement and Management. Now 6 issue per year means यहाँ पर within 2 months के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. Very good journal. I recommend to all of you go for this fast publication journal. Scopus index journal है, so don't worry for that. Now if we will talk about the coverage area, means कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं, सो यू कैन रीड इफ़ योर रिसर्च एरिया कम्स अंडर दिस कैटेगरी, देन यू नीड टू पब्लिश योर रिसर्च पेपर. इंडेक्सिंग की हम अगर बात करते हैं तो इंडेक्सिंग इज द स्कोपस इंडेक्स. दिस इज आल्सो द प्रेफर्ड. वी ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू गो फॉर द बेस्ट जर्नल, सो सजेस्ट फॉर गो फॉर दिस जर्नल. नाउ नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज द सेज पब्लिशर्स. सो द जर्नल नेम इज द business and society. So as its name indicates, it is specially dedicated to the business or management student or researcher. If you want to explore the about the journal, so these are the different types of the category: journal description, aim and scope, so abstract indexing. So we can explore each and everything about this journal. So if we want to explore the indexing, so just need to click on this indexing tab. So it will be redirected to the indexing. So we can see here this is the Scopus index journal. Now so this is also the good journal, so I prefer to all of you go for this journal, explore, and then finally submit your research paper for the publication. So this is the impact factor of this journal. So explore this journal also for your publication research paper. So next category is the IJMR. This is the Valley online library. So this is also the very good journal. So if we will talk about the aim and scope, so this is also the very good wide area coverage of this particular topic. So you explore at yourself also. These are the indexing. So we will talk about this is the Scopus index and science citation index. So don't worry for that, just go for the publication for this journal. So firstly prepare your research paper and then need to publish. Next category is the UGC approved journal. This is the APMAJ Asia Pacific Management Accounting Journal, especially for the business management or management students. So we can explore each and everything about this particular journal when it will be published. So this publish is the first issue is published in the June, next issue will be the December. So you can see this is a thrice a year. So within a 4 month आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. Now we will focus on the indexing. This is also the good indexing. So most important thing, this you can see this is the logo of the SCI index journal. So this is the SCI indexing research paper journal. So you can publish your research paper. Now author guidelines you can read out from this particular tab. So just click on this particular tab. You can explore each and everything about this journal, how we will prepare our research paper manuscript. So each and everything will be covered in this particular section. Next category is the InterScience Publishers International Journal of Indian Culture and Business Management, especially related to the business management or management students. So the publication time 8 issue per year, means within a 1.5 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा एज पर दे आर मेंशनिंग हियर. सो बहुत फास्ट पब्लिकेशन जर्नल है. सो आई रिकमेंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू गो फॉर दिस जर्नल. एंड the most important category of this particular, these are the wide coverage area of this particular topics. And if we will talk about the indexing, so this is the indexing about this particular journal, SCI indexing journals and also the UGC approved journal. So this is the very good journal. So I recommend to all of you go for the UGC approved journal and SCI index journal. Next category is the African Journal of Accounting, Auditing and Finance. So this is also the very good journal, InterScience Publishers, and the publication time 4 issue per year. So within 3 months के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा इस particular journal के अंदर. Now we can explore about this journal. This is the topics covered by this particular journal. If your research area comes under this particular topics, then you need to submit your research paper. This is also the UGC approved journal and also the SCI index journal you can see here. So before submission your research paper or manuscript, ensure at your level also that this journal is suitable to you or not. Now next category, International Journal of Business and Emerging Markets, especially dedicated to the management student and management researcher. The publication time of this 4 issue per year, means within 3 months के अंदर आपका research paper publish हो जाएगा. If we will talk about the indexing, this is the Scopus index journal as they have mentioned. So very good indexing. Now about the topics and coverage area of this particular aim and scope of this journal. So this is also the very good coverage area. So more of this journal, so you can explore from this particular tab, objectively, readership and everything is there. This is also the Scopus index journal. So I recommend to all of you go for this journal. Next, if you find this channel is useful to all of you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, because it is the very important thing that my vision and mission to especially support to all of you for your research publications. So and also help your friends also by sharing this channel and this video. So thank you for watching this video.